Happy birthday! I love you! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about the first birthday party of my pet dog Pomeranian. Her name's Tofu and she's a fox type Pomeranian. I got her last year when she was just 4 months old. And yeah, I've been super attached to her. I love her so much. To celebrate this baby bear, I'm going to throw a party for her. It's a simple celebration. I'm going to take you through all the preparations leading up to the party and of course the party itself. Here, this is the Tofu. This is the baby bear. He just turned 1. Hi, babe. Say hi. Love you. First things first, we need to pick a theme for the party, and after much brainstorming, I've thought of creating a pastel-colored theme. So let's get started.
The first thing I did was to cut out her name on a styro board. By the way, all the party needs and decorations were created by Crazy Crafts. Don't forget to check out my page. Then I went on to the layout of her milestone board. I love milestone boards. Here I placed her basic info like what we call her weight, her likes and dislikes, and other details. Then you can see me working on her guest book. This one's the intro page. Yes, I made a guest book for her too. Would love to have her guests sign here. By the way, these footage you see are me finalizing everything. The design process took some time and it wasn't done in just one day. I wanted the dogs to stamp their paws too, but I didn't have the special ink that would be safe for them, so only the humans wrote here. Then the gable boxes. Here you see me cutting and assembling the gable boxes. I plan to place in some treats for guests. So I was aiming for like a kiddie/pet party, and these will be for the kids. Next, for the dogs, I cut out some paw and doggy bone shaped tags in different pastel colors. I cut them in layers and embossed them to add a cool effect. Here you can see me working on her flower crown. It was so difficult to put on her though, since she kept moving and it kept falling off. Even if she wasn't able to use it that much, it's not a waste though, since this could totally be used by humans too. Here's the printed output of the milestone board, and now to assemble it. Now for some game materials. I thought of so many games for everyone, adults, kids, and pets. This one's for the game Pin the Dress on Tofu. These are her actual dresses, and I took photos of her on every single one. This one's for another game. These are what I have so far. By the way, I just couldn't help it. I also made customized wrappers for prizes.
I'm preparing yung mga invitations ni Tofu. So I've printed these just earlier today. Did some stickers na ilalagay dun sa mga giveaways. Envelopes. I plan to make a unique type of invitation, yung interactive kind of invitation, but then my time constraint tayo, so I just made yung normal card type invitations. Tapos maliit lang siya. Ayan. I saw these cute tumblers. Ang cute ng mga tumbler. And it matches the theme of Tofu's birthday. Look. I plan to give these as prizes sa games. So this is a yellow glass type tumbler. It's called, I don't know, it's Chinese. Okay, and then here is a blue one. I got one color each. Unfortunately, walang purple. So I got all the 4 colors except purple. This is a blue one. It's so cute. This one is gorgeous pink. This is pink one. And siya. Okay, so cute. And green one. Yeah. They're so cute. It matches the pastel theme of Tofu. Aside from that, I also saw these pens. I wasn't supposed to buy prizes anymore because, you know, I already bought some food and stuff, prices, and as much as possible, I'd like to limit my expense. But then I saw these items and I just had to buy them. They're not that expensive, so pasok pa naman sa budget. And ayan, these are pens. These are pens. I can use prices. They're also pastel colored. I have a blue one. I have blue, pink, yellow, and lavender. Maybe hear that that's Tofu knocking on my door. She's outside because if she sees my tripod, she's gonna bark at it. Let's finish these invitations so I can give them tomorrow. So I let the baby bear in. So far, inamoy niya lang yung tripod. Kasi the last time I used this, she kept on barking at it. At least now, mukhang behave naman siya. Hi, Bear. Okay, I take that back. She was barking at it. Tofu! Hey! Okay, na-busy siya. She's biting my slippers now. Tofu! Love you, baby. I placed the phone on the tripod and she's barking so wildly. Tofu! Look at the camera, baby bear! Look at the camera! Behave on baby. Okay, so I'm going to get the... Oops. Tofu, let's try your invitations. Work, babe. Okay, I'm going to get the paper cutter because I need to cut the stickers, to finish cutting the stickers. And si Tofu ayaw niya yung paper cutter, so good luck na lang. Tignan natin kung paano niya i-handle.
Unfortunately, she continued barking. But let's just ignore her. Bahala ka dyan, Tofu. Finally, done with the invitations. Here, an additional insert lang for the invites. Assembling the paper bags and loot bags now, full of snacks for humans. Then for the dogs, I bought strawberry flavored treats. They smell so good. Now for the pens and tumblers, which I wrapped with the custom wrappers I made. The day before Tofu's birthday, bringing her to the groomers.
We're here, baby! Gonna go to the groomers already.
Her hair ended up to be so short, something I'm not used to.
Ooh, gable boxes. Look at the Tofu bear. No! Tofu's birthday tomorrow, and look at her. Your fur's so short, baby bear. You look like a guy. You look like an, I don't know, a seal, a kangaroo, or... But I still love you. I still love you.
Today's the day! To set the ambience, I've made some decorations. We're blowing up some balloons, just a simple backdrop. Now we're setting up the tables. And then the souvenirs and gifts, laying them out. Dog food, placing them in cupcake liners. I ordered a cute doggy cake. This is edible for dogs. These are paw-themed cupcakes that I also ordered. These are for humans. Look at the doggy cake. It looks so cute. It looks like tofu.
Happy birthday, Tofu! Tofu, happy birthday! I love you.
I bought a really cute dress I saw online. Super glad it fit her perfectly. Then of course, mommy had to wear a dress too.
Baby, it's your birthday today. You look so pretty with your dress. Pretty with your dress, but you're no longer fluffy. I still love you. I still love you, baby. I still love you. Hello, Nip Nip. This is the first pet guest of Lukrembo. There's Uncle Jord. Ponchy, Ponchy. Ponchy, hello. Hello. Thank you for coming on Tofu's birthday. The baby bear. The baby bear. Tofu, 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 Tofu. There's Yep Yep. Go to Yep Yep. Go to Yep Yep. Tofu, Tofu. Yep Yep. Yep Yep, hello. They were playing ba a while ago?
No, he's just really lazy.
Eh, parang a while ago, he kept on barking at Tofu. Tofu, happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday.
Guests and their pets started to arrive. I'm so happy. Hi, Uncle Jens.
Hello.
Hi, Uncle Jord. Hi, Cousin Nip Nip. Hi.
This party is not just to celebrate the birth of Tofu, para din, Thanksgiving siya.
And then everyone gave their messages to Tofu.
U stands for do not underestimate the dog. Kasi talagang crazy. Siguro nagmana sa kanina kaya nagmana.
So, dahil nag-give sa kanya, nakalimutan ko, nandiyan pa pala yung dalawa ko anak, saka yung nakay ko.
That's very meaningful, that's very cool.
Again, enjoy your day, okay? And continue to make Raylan and his family happy.
But, it was nice to watch them interacting with each other. Kaya medyo thankful din ako sa kanya kasi
Anak? Mabait ka anak. Magandang kaarawan, Aba.
Alam mo, hindi ko sila nakikinig. Mas excited kami sa pwedeng
Human.
human na ako, mare.
Very friendly pero makulit din pala.
Tinakbuhan niya po ako ng 2 beses dun sa may parking lot. Ang bilis niya po, sobrang bilis niyang tumakbo po pagka naano lang po sa pintuan.
Kasi mabait naman siya. Kasi walang hyper.
Yung pag-ibang pagpasok ko sa pinto mo, may nakaabang lagi sa pinto sa silap sa lahat.
And of course, the games. We had several games. These are a few of them. We had pinned the dress on Tofu. We had pet musical chairs. We got everyone's participation.
Okay.
Lugi pala yung nasa dulo.
Oo, hindi. Nakalimutan na. Panalo!
A. Fox face. B. Teddy bear. C. Baby doll. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's A. Fox A. 5:30. Ay, 4:30 p.m. B. 5 o'clock p.m. C. 5:30 p.m. 1, 2, 3. Okay, answer.
Thank you, Ate Louise. So, say thank you.
For the bags of day.
And I'm so happy that it turned out to be a success. Tofu was so happy too as she kept running around with her friends. Thank you everyone. See you on the next video. Bye.